Hello friend, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about the simplify complex search using rationalization method. As you can see on the screen, like we have four questions which are taken from the class 9 syntax book exercise 3. How we can solve these questions. These are the complex Surds equation or Surds expression, and now we utilize the rationalized method for solving these questions. So before you start the video, please like and subscribe our channel so that you can follow our new video. So now start the question number 1. Okay, this is these examples are taken from the class 9 syntax book. Exercise 3.4, and the question number is 4. Now question number 1 is x plus 3 plus x minus 3, x minus 3 minus x minus 3, right? Now we have to simplify this question. So here we will apply rationalization method. What we can do here, we can apply x plus 3 plus x minus 3. Okay, this one is plus. Again, x plus 3 minus x minus 3, right? So in last class, we will discuss like these type of question, simplify like by conjugating factor of denominator and multiply these conjugate from numerator and denominator, like x plus 3. Here is minus sign, so conjugate of will be, this expression is plus x minus 3 root and x plus 3 plus x minus 3, right? Now we can multiply numerator from the numerator and denominator from the denominator part. So we have to, but what we did here, first we write like here we apply rationalization of x plus 3, or you can say denominator, or you can say rationalization of the denominator, right? Now we can simplify. Now we can multiply numerator from the numerator, like this one, x plus 3 plus x minus 3, and this becomes square because both are similar one, right? And in the denominator, we get the formula a minus b multiply a plus b, right? And what we get here, we get a square minus b square. So now we can write directly x plus 3 whole square minus x minus 3 square, and we can give the reference here, right? So now we can simplify, like we can apply here is a square, a plus b whole square formula here, which is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So now we can apply here a x plus 3. Now a is this one and b is this one. So now we can apply here that formula. 2, a is x plus 3 and b is x minus 3, right? Similarly, b square here, and now in denominator, square root cancel from this square root cancel from this square. Now we can say like x plus 3 minus x minus 3, right? And now we can simplify all these terms, square cancel from the square root, x plus 3 plus 2, and we can make because these two terms are multiplying, and we can make like this way, x minus 3, x plus 3 and x minus 3, right? Here square cancel from the root, x minus 3 here, and we can say x plus 3 minus x and plus 3, right? Now x and plus x is get the 2x here. Plus 3 and minus 3 cancel both of them. And we get here is 2 root x squared minus 9, right? Because here we have also a plus b and a minus b. So we get here is a squared minus b squared. So we can give the reference here. Now minus x cancel from the plus x. Now 3 plus 3 is 6. And here we can give the reference x minus 3 and x plus 3 and x minus 3 is equal to x squared minus 9, right? Now we can take common from here to x plus root x squared minus 9 upon 6. 2 1 the 2, 2 3 the 6. Now we get x plus root x squared minus 9 upon 3, right? So this is the answer of this question. Now question number, we will solve question number 2, which is also simplify by rationalization method y squared plus 5 minus 5 and x squared plus 5 plus y, right? Now we will apply here rationalization method, right? So we will say like y squared plus 5 upon y squared plus 5, right? And minus 5 and plus 5. Now we will do the rationalization. So what we will do is multiply and divide from the conjugate of denominator expression, right? So this one is conjugate y squared plus 5 minus y, right? We will say these two terms are similar ones, so we will make the formula here y squared plus 5 minus y, right? And in the denominator, we can say y plus 5. This one is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So we are writing here directly a squared minus b squared. And we can give a plus b multiplied by a minus b equal to a squared minus b squared, right? And here we will say, here we will apply the formula a minus b whole square, right? So what we get, y squared plus 5 whole square minus 2 multiplied by y squared plus 5 a, b, and y squared, right? Divided by 2 cancel from the root, and we get y squared plus 5 minus y squared, right? Now we can simplify. Square root cancel from the root, and we will get here answer is y squared plus 5 minus 2 y root y squared plus 5, and this one is y squared. This y squared is cancelled from this y squared, and we get 5 here. Now we can simplify these terms. Y squared plus y squared is becomes 2y squared, and this one is 5, and this one is 2y root y squared plus 5, and in the denominator we get the 5. So you can take also common from this term. So we will get like this way 5 plus 2y common from this terms. So now we get the y minus 2y squared plus 5 upon 5. So the answer is this one. I hope you understand this question as well. Now we have another question, like question number 3. Okay, question number 3 and 4 are similar ones, so we will solve only the question number 3. So you can simplify question number 4 like question number 3, right? Question number 3 is 10, 6 minus 2y squared plus 36, right? So here we will apply the rationalization method. So we will simplify like 10, 6 minus y squared plus 36. Okay, we will apply rationalization here. So 6 plus y squared plus 36. 6 plus y square plus 36 here. And multiply numerator from the numerator and denominator from the denominator. So question number 5 is, because methods are same. Question number 5 is 3 minus 2 root 2 5 upon 3 plus 2 root 2, right? So what we have here is minus sign between them. So now we do not do here rationalization first. We will simplify using the addition and subtraction of these Surds equation. So first we will do here, we'll take LCM 3, 2, root 2 and 3 plus 2 root 2 here. Okay, now this term is 3 minus 2 root 2 and we do not have this term here. So what we will do here, first we will multiply 15 from 3 plus 2 root 2 and here 5 multiplied by 3 minus 2. Okay, so if you do not have the terms here, this term does not contain in this expression and in this term. So we will multiply these terms from the numerator. Now we will simplify 15 multiplied by 33 is 45 and 15 multiplied by 2 is 30 root 2, right? Minus 5 3 is 15. Now minus minus plus, we get the answer is plus, and 5 2 is 10 root 2, right? And in the denominator, we have the formula is a minus b multiplied by a plus b, right? So we will get here 3 square minus 2 root 2 whole square. And now we will simplify 45 minus 15 is 30. And 30 root 2 plus 30 root 2 is 40 root 2. In denominator, we have 9, 3 3s are 9, and 2 2s are 4 multiplied by 2, because this 2 is cancelled from the square, right? So now we have 30 plus 40 root 2. In denominator, we have 9 minus 8. So after simplification, we will get the answer is 30 plus 40 root 2 upon 1. And the answer is 30 plus 40 root 2. So this is the final answer. Now you can solve this method from this method, question number 6. So this is very simple. I hope you understand these all simplification method of the surd, and these are complex surds. So here we apply the rationalization and some addition and subtraction and multiplication methods here. So you can follow any books, any questions, because methods are same to simplify any surds expression. So we will see in next class other things. So from till now, bye bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and share with others.